I love talking about marketing automation, especially when it comes to helping small businesses get more impact with the efforts that they're putting out into the world. Have you ever asked, what is marketing automation? Simple. It's tools and software that are designed to help you streamline your processes. They help you prioritize and execute your marketing tasks. No matter what your industry or what niche you are, no matter your business or who your customers are, the goal of all of our marketing campaigns is to bottom line bring more money into our business. In order to do that, we need 3 very simple tools. Before I tell you about that, hi, welcome. I'm Coach Molly from Visibility Hacking Studios. Welcome back to those of you who are returning. Welcome for the first time for those of you who are joining us today. I love helping small businesses boost their visibility online, and we use a lot of marketing automation to help these small business owners set up these systems and then let them run automatically for them. Let them run what we like to call their connection machines. So I told you there's 3 things that we need in order to make our marketing efforts actually pay off, right? First thing, we need to drive traffic. We need to bring people and their eyeballs to our message. Second, we need to convert leads, which means we need to take these people from a place of indecision to a place of decision. Hopefully that decision is to purchase your product or sign up for your program. And then the third thing we need to do is close sales. We need to have a sales system that enables them to hand us their credit card and we take their money at the end and serve them their product. Having that sales process is the final step in this whole journey. And the cool thing is, marketing automation can help us in each of those 3 different areas. It's like having a whole army of little robots that are doing things for you while you sleep. So in this video, we're talking about what can marketing automation do? We'll also ask the question, how does marketing automation work? And finally, I'll share with you how to do marketing automation for your small business. Marketing automation, because it helps us streamline our processes, it enables us to work faster and more efficiently. And that means we're able to connect with our ideal customers, serve them better messages, serve them better value more efficiently, with less wasted resources, with less wasted time, with less wasted energy. That means we can focus that leftover energy and resources and time on other impactful actions. Maybe that means serving deeper in our business. Maybe that means expanding a new area. Maybe that means learning a new skill, or maybe that means going on vacation. I know. It's a crazy word to say in the entrepreneurial space, but it's a real thing. So regardless if you work in a team or if you're a solopreneur working on your own, whether this is full-time or a side hustle for you, marketing automation can help in small ways and in really, really big ways. Question of the day, I'm curious, do you have any processes in your business currently that you have automated? Do you have a schedule, a process, some kind of a system that is automated for your business? Let me know down in the comments. If not, if you haven't, what's stopping you? What are your questions? What are tasks that you would love to automate so that you can focus your time, energy, and resources on more impactful actions in your business? Let us know down in the comments. Marketing automation can go wrong really, really quickly. So let's share a couple do's and don'ts in the marketing automation world to make sure you are using the best practices possible. 1, when it comes to emails, don't blast general emails on a regular basis. Don't give that uncurated general public information. Why? Because it's boring. Why? Because it's not tailored. Why? Because it feels like spam. Instead, do send highly targeted, tailored messages to your people. You can subdivide your email list so that only people who are interested in this specific topic are going to get that message. message. Only people who have taken this specific action are going to receive that message. Then it feels a lot more tailored, targeted, and curated for your people. Don't automate non-converting messages. If you know that specific messages in previous campaigns didn't test very well, or if you've never tested them before, don't just automate them. Start by making sure that you know that these messages actually work. Start with that, then automate what you know already works. Test it out first, clear out the stuff that doesn't work, and double down on the stuff that does. That's what you want to automate. Do create engagement campaigns. Look for ways that you can create strings of messages to automate that engage your people, that share insight into your business, your movement, or your people. It highlights the solutions that you serve up for your audience. Create campaigns that share and serve just as much as they sell. Bonus tip is to hit the subscribe button and join us here on the Visibility Hacking channel. More videos served up to you hot and fresh, giving you the tips, tricks, and strategies to help elevate your brand's visibility online. Marketing automation can be as simple or complex as you'd like it to be, so let's break it down into 4 very simple steps that you can follow. Step number 1, you're going to send a tailored email to a list of people to download a new ebook that you've just launched. Second step is you're going to send a thank you note to those who took action on that previous email, to those who clicked and downloaded that link. Step 3, a few days later, to those who you sent the thank you to, you're going to send a follow-up email. In this email, you're going to offer a case study that ties into what was in the ebook. And step 4, you're going to automate a notification to your sales team to start contacting those who took action on the case study. This way, you're targeting those who took action and got deeper and deeper into the sales process. This means they've shown intent and interest in the topic that you are diving into. Marketing automation doesn't need to be overly difficult or confusing or overwhelming. It can be really simple. As long as everything starts from a roadmap, a simple plan. Having a marketing plan is that document that's going to get you from a small business to a huge business. It's going to help you connect to those new audiences, to grow your network, and to bottom line start making more money in your business. So if you want to start out with a marketing plan that you know is going to kick butt, that you know is going to work, then I recommend checking out the Visibility Vault. The link's down below, and there's a link in there to get our small business marketing template, small business marketing worksheet, whatever you want to call it. It's a fill-in document that'll go through a whole variety of different sections. Then by the end of it, you'll have a kick-ass marketing plan. So download that absolutely free. Links are down below. Check out the Visibility Vault. You'll like it. And until I see you again, my friends, remember, I love you. Be excellent to each other and just go live because your people are out there waiting for you.